everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we are immersing ourselves in a design trend with contemporary sophistication, the modern farmhouse ranch house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This style brings together the welcoming warmth of the classic farmhouse with the practical, sprawling layout of a ranch home, creating dwellings that are both incredibly inviting and remarkably functional. If you're envisioning a home that offers spacious, single-story living, seamless indoor-outdoor connections, and a beautifully refined rustic aesthetic, then this episode is precisely what you've been waiting for. We're going to explore the precise meaning behind this popular style, delve into its numerous benefits, and provide expert guidance on how to design a modern farmhouse ranch house that is not only visually stunning but also a true haven for comfortable living. Let's begin by clearly defining what modern farmhouse ranch house design truly signifies. This architectural style is a brilliant fusion of two distinct, yet complementary, residential archetypes: the traditional farmhouse and the ranch-style home, all filtered through a contemporary lens. The ranch house, also known as a rambler, emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by its single-story layout, low-pitched roof lines, long, horizontal profiles, and open-concept interiors. Ranch homes prioritize ease of living, accessibility, and a strong connection to the outdoors, often featuring large windows and sliding doors leading to patios. The farmhouse style, on the other hand, evokes a sense of nostalgic charm, often featuring gable roofs, large front porches, practical layouts, and a focus on natural materials. It speaks to comfort, family, and rural simplicity. When these two styles converge into a modern farmhouse ranch house, the meaning transforms into a home that embodies the best of both worlds. It retains the single-story convenience and elongated footprint of a ranch, ensuring ease of movement and often offering distinct zones for living and sleeping. The farmhouse influence introduces architectural details like board and batten siding, a prominent front porch, often extended, classic gable roofs, and an inviting, unpretentious aesthetic. The modern aspect refines these elements with clean lines, a neutral color palette, often crisp whites, grays, and blacks, updated finishes, and expansive windows that maximize natural light and views. It's a design that feels both historic and current, offering pragmatic living wrapped in a stylish, comfortable envelope. It's about bringing the serene, spacious feel of country living into a streamlined, accessible form. The enduring popularity of modern farmhouse ranch house designs is not merely a passing trend, it's driven by a compelling array of benefits that cater to diverse lifestyles and preferences. Firstly, and perhaps most significantly, is the unparalleled convenience and accessibility of single-story living. The ranch layout eliminates stairs, making it ideal for multi-generational households, individuals with mobility concerns, or simply those who prefer the ease of navigating a single level. This also simplifies daily routines and cleaning. Secondly, these designs offer spacious and flexible open-concept layouts. A hallmark of both ranch and modern farmhouse styles is the emphasis on open living areas, seamlessly connecting the kitchen, dining, and living rooms. This creates a highly versatile space for family gatherings, entertaining, and a sense of expansive airiness, even within a modest footprint. Large windows further enhance this feeling of openness by flooding interiors with natural light. Thirdly, the modern farmhouse ranch excels in seamless indoor-outdoor connectivity. The long, horizontal profile of a ranch home naturally lends itself to multiple access points to the exterior. Coupled with the farmhouse tradition of generous porches, these homes often feature expansive covered patios, decks, and outdoor living spaces that become true extensions of the interior, perfect for al fresco dining, relaxation, and enjoying the surrounding landscape. Finally, modern farmhouse ranch designs are often highly customizable and energy efficient. Their straightforward structural form allows for relative ease in customization, from floor plan modifications to material selections. Many modern interpretations also incorporate energy-efficient windows, robust insulation, and smart home technologies, contributing to lower utility bills and a reduced environmental footprint. In sum, choosing a modern farmhouse ranch house design is choosing a home that is practical, beautiful, versatile, and built for comfortable, enduring living. Designing a modern farmhouse ranch house to look truly exceptional requires a harmonious blend of its three core influences: the traditional farmhouse, the practical ranch, and the clean aesthetic of modern design. The key is balance and thoughtful detail. Begin with a cohesive exterior material palette. The iconic modern farmhouse look often features crisp white or light-colored siding, such as board and batten, vertical shiplap, or horizontal lap siding. This should be combined with contrasting dark elements, typically matte black window frames, dark trim, and a black or dark gray metal roof. Standing seam is a popular choice. Introduce natural wood accents, perhaps a warm wood front door, timber columns on the porch, or decorative wood brackets under eaves, to add warmth and the farmhouse feel. For the windows, large panes are ideal to maximize natural light and maintain the open, airy feel. Black framed windows are almost a signature of the modern farmhouse. Consider a mix of classic double-hung styles and larger picture windows, or even sliding glass doors to connect directly to outdoor living areas. Finally, pay attention to details. Simple exterior light fixtures, a prominent yet understated house number, and a carefully chosen front door color, white, black, or natural wood are popular, will tie the aesthetic together. Avoid excessive ornamentation. Let the materials and clean forms speak for themselves. By focusing on these elements, your modern farmhouse ranch house will achieve a look that is both inviting and effortlessly stylish. To further inspire your vision, let's explore 10 exemplary modern farmhouse ranch house design ideas, each showcasing a distinct approach to this versatile and beloved style. One. The classic white and black ranch farmhouse. This is the quintessential look. A single-story home with a low-pitched roof, clad in crisp white board and batten siding. It's punctuated by bold black framed windows and a striking black metal roof. An expansive front porch with dark timber posts spans the facade, offering a timeless and welcoming presence. 2. The extended L-shaped ranch farmhouse with courtyard. This design capitalizes on the ranch's ability to stretch horizontally. The L shape creates a private central courtyard, often accessible from multiple rooms through sliding glass doors. The exterior blends white siding with warm wood accents, and the courtyard might feature a fire pit or a small, minimalist garden. 3. Modern farmhouse with prominent gable and wraparound porch. While primarily a ranch, this design brings a stronger farmhouse emphasis with a more pronounced, often central, gable featuring large windows. A generous wraparound porch provides extensive outdoor living space, perfect for enjoying different times of day and views from various angles. 4. The rustic modern ranch with stone base. This iteration integrates natural stone elements to ground the design. The lower half of the facade might be clad in a muted, stacked stone or a natural fieldstone, transitioning to white or light gray lap siding above. A dark metal roof and large, clear-paned windows complete the look, offering a blend of sturdy tradition and modern sophistication. 5. Clean lines and minimalist farmhouse ranch. This design pairs back traditional farmhouse embellishments for a truly modern aesthetic. The exterior features very clean lines, perhaps a combination of smooth stucco and horizontal wood siding, with minimal trim. The porch is simple and functional, using sleek materials like concrete and black steel railings, emphasizing architectural form over decorative details. 6. Farmhouse ranch with detached garage/breezeway. For larger lots, the main ranch house might be connected to a detached garage via a charming breezeway. Both structures maintain the modern farmhouse aesthetic, with matching siding and roofing. The breezeway itself can be an outdoor living area, creating a picturesque transition between the home and ancillary buildings. 7. The multi-gabled farmhouse ranch. While a ranch typically has a lower roof pitch, this design incorporates multiple gables of varying sizes along its long facade. Each gable might highlight a different interior space, e.g., living room, master suite, adding architectural interest and depth to the horizontal profile, all while maintaining the modern farmhouse material palette. 8. Industrial Touches Farmhouse Ranch. This design introduces subtle industrial elements for an edgier modern farmhouse look. Think dark gray or black metal panels alongside the white siding, perhaps exposed steel beams on the porch, or large, grid industrial-style windows. This creates a refined, slightly rugged aesthetic that still feels warm. 9. Farmhouse Ranch with integrated outdoor kitchen and fireplace. Extending the indoor-outdoor living concept, this design integrates a sophisticated outdoor kitchen and/or a grand outdoor fireplace into a spacious covered patio directly off the main living areas. This transforms the exterior into a prime entertainment zone, embodying the relaxed, social spirit of the farmhouse. 10. The transitional farmhouse ranch with dark exterior. While white is classic, a modern farmhouse ranch can also look stunning in darker tones. This design would feature dark gray, charcoal, or even black vertical siding, contrasted with warm wood accents and perhaps white window trim. This bold, dramatic exterior still maintains the welcoming charm through its generous porch and clear connection to the landscape. As we conclude our exploration of modern farmhouse ranch house designs, it's abundantly clear that this style offers a unique and highly desirable blend of comfort, functionality, and timeless appeal. It gracefully marries the sprawling ease of single-story living with the welcoming charm of the farmhouse, all elevated by contemporary design principles. The result is a home that feels both deeply rooted and refreshingly current, perfectly suited for modern families and individuals seeking a harmonious blend of rustic elegance and practical living. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern farmhouse house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.